Hello, collective. Let me see your situation, okay? Let me tap into your energy. So, we can get your proper guidance message. Thank you so much, Archangels. Please give me another 2 cards for my collective and one last card. Oh, I'm laughing because of your... Okay. Let's observe. Let me see our biology. Okay, this is a love reading. You are desiring lusty for someone, and I think one of you or both of you are in a relationship, okay? But you're keeping it a secret. It's your happiness, but you are somehow feeling alone, okay? So desire is in here, so probably you love this person, okay? But because one of you or both of you in a relationship, you don't tell this person or to anyone. It's your secret happiness. But somehow you wanted more. It's only 4 cards, but I can feel your energy. So much desire. You wanted more, but you can't have it. That's why you're feeling so sad. You're feeling alone. Let me see why. I want to know why my person feeling alone. And my person, my gosh, my collective is feeling alone. To this desire. Okay. You have to make a new decision. Fire sign might be resonate or heavy on both fire and air sign equals. So there's a passion and wanted to ground this desire, the love. Okay, so you have to make a decision to progress something. You've been manifesting this opportunity to have this person in your life. You wanted to have a teamwork and collaboration with this person. This is full of love, passion, full of... I guess this also... This person give you a life purpose, okay? I don't know who is in the relationship or both of you, but you can see your future. You change because of this person. But having the page of Pentacles and Queen of Wands, the feminine energy might be older than you, and the masculine energy is younger than you. Take it as resonate, okay? It's a collective reading. And you wanted to have to give a message to this person, okay? So you're also making changes within your plans and your choices because you want to have a start. Oh, okay. I can feel that you are in the one in the relationship. That's why you want to make a lot of change for yourself first before going to this Queen of Wands, divine feminine. Yeah, gender is not even you're a man or a woman, it's okay. The energy is I'm feeling it. Okay, so you're the one in the, I don't think in a relationship, maybe you're also in a old job, you're still living with your family, might be that too. Okay, and this person might be the one that you are, because there's pentacles here and wands. Yeah, this person might be that you knew each other in job, or you've been together in a job. Yeah, you've been working together. Okay, once you make a choices and you change and you start a new job, new business, the two of you will come together. That's what are you thinking, but I think that's also true. Okay, let me tap into your guides now. Tarot angels, please give me the message. You're overwhelmed too, right? I can feel that. Give me the message of their guides for my collective. Please give me 3 cards for my collective. Your guys telling you that whatever you desire, go for it, because there will be a lot of abundance. You will attract a lot of abundance once you make a choice and make a change. When I said that, you already know what to choose, because I said change. You are choosing the old one and the new pathway. So you already know. You already know the answer. However, you are still overthinking a lot. So once you come to this person, you have a clear communication. Your guide said, express what you really feel. See, masculine. You are protected and you have the support. This connection is honored by your guides. You also need to protect and support this person that you love. You've been, actually, even you are not together, I don't feel that you are not together, but even though you are, because I can feel that maybe your energy, you always pray for this person, you're always thinking about this person, you're always worried about them. You just can't come in yet until you make the decision and change. But because of that, you are also protecting this person, and this person can feel your support even you are not talking, or even you are both far away to each other. That's so nice. Okay, so I hope this helped, collective, and bye.